KHA 99, serving the Munster and Gainesville listening area. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montague County in north central Texas until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Boise, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boise, Napoleon, Sunset, and Stoneburg. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.